Hi, I'm Paul Basolka, IB Masters Learning Center and IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 21st question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 1, number 20 reads, which choice completes the text's most logical transition? When it's asking about the transition, what you want to do is determine whether what comes before and after the blank shows similarity or difference. Let's go to the passage. Neuroscientist Karen Konkoly wanted to determine whether individuals can understand and respond to questions during REM sleep. She first taught volunteers basic eye movements they would use to respond to basic math problems while asleep. Single left-right eye movement indicated the number 1. Blank, she attached electrodes to the volunteer's face to record their eye movements during sleep. So do we see similarity or difference here? It looks like it's similarity. It's just two things that she would do. I'm going to show you the structure that is very typical of these transition questions. First, you get a main idea here. So she wants to determine whether individuals can, topic, sentence, main idea, can understand and respond to questions during REM sleep. And then you get first, blah, 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 blah. By the way, once you determine that they show similarity, all the answer choices show similarity. So that wasn't helpful, but usually you get rid of half of the answer choices. Sometimes you get the correct answer just by determining that. But when we read the sentence, we see first, blah, 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 blah. And I would think that the blank's going to be something like second. We don't have the word second in the blank. But we do have next. Next is going to show sequence as well. Specifically, we use that if what comes after is more specifically what was talked about before. That's not it. We'd use for instance the same way we would use for example. If we had a general statement before it and then an example or an instance of it after, we don't get that either. In sum would be like a summary or conclusion you're drawing based on what comes before it. We don't see any of that. When you see first, you want to see the blank is going to mean second, or in this case, next. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with which most logically completes the text. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out this other video on transitions. And to see the shorter videos, go to YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center. When you find the playlist, you'll find that the test number and module number. So for this, it's test 3, module 1. And the shorter videos are just below these longer videos. Have a great day.